IDEX. Okay, they came out with news regarding their EV taxi. Okay, they closed up 32% yesterday and they're up 60% in the pre-market. There's heavy resistance at $1. They're at 98 cents right now. Okay, so you could watch for a pullback around 85 cents, 80 cents. Start a position, set yourself a stop loss, 10-15%, 20% depends on your risk tolerance and the amount of money you're putting out up front. Okay, always start your position small.
Please subscribe.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Happy Sunday, each one and all. Hope everyone is doing better than good and better than most. Two takeaways from this video. I have 4 stocks to put on your stock list. And I'm going to tell you the best way to set up your stock list. And also why you need a stock list. The importance of that, okay? The first stock is WIMI. WIMI. Put that one on your stock list. I heard it's going to $50. I'm just kidding. I don't deal in rumors. I deal with price actions. And speaking of rumors, I am not a licensed financial analyst. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. If you make money, please give me credit. If you lose money, do not sue me because I do not have any fiduciary liability insurance coverage. Please and thank you. All right. WIMI, I think it's exhausted. You got to be careful getting into that stock at this level. Be careful. You could try it. But always, as I said, start small. All right, I'll give you a story. In 2005, a Chinese company, they claim they have the light bulbs, efficient energy light bulbs. So they came out with an article. I bought the stock before the article. Okay, they came out with an article saying Walmart, they have a deal with Walmart to put their bulbs into Walmart stores. The stock went up about 500%. And I was like, yeah. Not selling, watching it keep rising. Boom, the stock halted, pending an investigation into the allegations. Walmart denied that deal. It was all fraudulent news. So they delist the stock and they delist your money. That money was tied up and it's gone. It's halted and kaput, disappeared. That's why I always tell you, start small. Because anything could happen at any given time, at any given moment. I don't care if it's Apple. I don't care if it's Tesla. I don't care if it's Amazon. Anything could happen at any given time. Take profits while you can. Okay, let's move into the Dave stock list. Please do me a favor, hit that like for me. Appreciate you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Welcome all the new subscribers. I'm not a stock expert. I'm not a guru. I just know a thing or two because I've been trading since 97. So a lot of experience, hands-on experience. It's one thing if you're watching a stock. It does nothing to you emotionally. That's why I'm not knocking paper trading. I don't do it because it's not real money. There's no emotion attached to it. Okay? The thing about trading, you got to control your emotion. It's all psychological. That's why if you're not in a good mood, don't give the trading a break. If you're having consistent losses, take a break. Your mind got to be right. This game is tough and it's not for everybody. And if you can't own the risk, you got to own the risk. If you buy something, you got to own the risk. Set your stop loss and own the risk and be patient. Okay? Please share the video. I really appreciate it. All right, let's go into the stock list. I'm not going to go into details with these stocks. That's for you to do. That's your homework. And three out of the 4 stocks that I have on this list, they have something in common. If you notice the correlation in these 3 of these stocks, comment below. All right. The first one is RTO. Not RTO. RETO. Okay. The next stock is HTBX. HTBX. I'm not going to go into details in this video, okay? That's for you to do. Third stock is VUZI. VUZI. Okay? Last but not least, EVRI. EVRI. Those are the stocks to stalk. Please do your homework. Please study up. This is not a wing it. You can't wing it in this thing. You gotta study up. Okay? And let me show you. Well, this is what I do when I put things on my watch list, my stock list. It's best to write it down as well. Robinhood has a good system. If you put it in the Robinhood and in your watch list, or even if you own a stock in Robinhood, if the stock move up 5% and more, or down 5% and more, you get an alert on your phone. I mute it because it's just too much distraction. I mute it, but I could see it come across the phone screen. Okay? So once you see a stock on your list starting to move upwards, that might be your cue to get in. Okay? In addition to adding it in Robinhood or Webull or whichever platform you trade with, you must write it down. You must have a log of where the stock opened, the high of the day, the low of the day, and where the stock closed. Also write down the volume for that day. You got to do that every day. The reason for that is it cements in your brain. The price action cements in your brain. Is the stock making lower lows? Is it trending higher every day? Is the volume increasing every day? You'll know before the average person when you write it down. We want to be first. We don't want to be last. We want to be first. All right? Anything going on with the stock, you see it on your log, you will know. Because when you write things down, it reinforces things in your brain. Okay? Very important. Please like the video. Please share the video. Please subscribe. And I'll see you in the morning with my plays. Dave Natch, I'm out for now. Boom, bam. Follow me on Twitter at @Petite. Bonus play of the day, PSV. PSV. They're up 135% in the pre at $1.26. All right. Their current ratio is 2.93. I always tell you I like anything over 2. They're way over 2, almost at 3. So they have some funds. They won't be going bankrupt. Even though we have some companies bankrupting and the stock plunged and then it keep rising the next day. Hertz in particular. Hertz, doing wonders. Anybody whopping 170 million shares traded hands. Okay? 170 million shares exchanged hands there. And the average volume is just a measly, a minute, a minor, a minuscule 272K. 272K compared to 170 million. You see the big difference there? A lot of action today. PSV, the big winner of the day. The other big winner of the day, I can't believe I caught two of them. That's why I said when you're hot, you're hot. I gotta cool down.
Please subscribe. If you wish to open a Webull account, check my link below. You'll get 2 free stacks. The first one is free. The second one, you got to deposit $100.
Okay? And also, if you want to take part in the pre-market, I'm up from 4 a.m. Trading, okay? Webull provide extended hours and pre-market hours trading, okay? Link inside the description. Most of these stocks, as soon as it hits regulation time, 9:30, downwards, all right? Most of the action already exhausted in the pre. Sign up below. You'll get 2 free stocks with a minimum deposit of $100, all right? Without $100, you get 1 free stock. But why settle for one? Deposit $100.
Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Stock.